Alright guys, so here goes the damage. Can't really see it, but see right here. See, I got a little bit too close. So I'll show you guys pretty much how to take that off, curb rash, and pretty much make it look like nothing ever happened again. So let's get into this video. Alright, so pretty much I'm gonna try to clean up this curb rash. So pretty much I was driving, got distracted, obviously got too close to the curb, curved it. So pretty much what I did so far is I knocked it down with 100, I think it was like 190 or 180 grit sandpaper just to get all the rough off. So right now it's pretty smooth. I know you can still see like some of the scratches. So I'm pretty much gonna use what I have at my house right now. If I have to go out and get some more supplies, then I'll go do that. But pretty much I'm gonna use 600 grit sandpaper. I believe I have like 1,000, and then I'll probably finish it off with like a 2,000 grit sandpaper. See how that comes out. But pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and mount you guys up, and then I'll get started on the sanding process. Pretty much gonna be wet sanding. So I'll pretty much get my 600 grit and then wet sand all this area right here, see how it comes out, and then pretty much go from there. So it's gonna be all this area, I believe all the way up to like right here. But yeah, I pretty much knocked it all the way down. So yeah, let's get this video started. So I just got done with the 600 grit. I went back over it with the 180 grit this time on the wheel, just to kind of clean it up a little bit more. Just got done with the 600 grit. So right here you can see like little faint scratches, especially right here. But it's pretty smooth. It's not like how it was before. I think this will come up when I start polishing it more with a higher sandpaper, just to start getting that shine out, because like I said, it's already smooth. Nothing really else I can do with the 600 grit. So I'm gonna start hitting it up with the, I'm kind of skipping a step because I think I should have went from like 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, pretty much up like that. But I'm gonna see what the 2,000 grit does. If I do need those other sandpapers, then I'll go get them. But right now I'm pretty much working with what I have in my garage. So I'm gonna try the 2,000 grit, see how that comes out, and then I'll be polishing it with the Chemical Guys metal polish. So like I said, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll pretty much go from there. So I'm gonna start on this 2,000 grit sandpaper and let you guys see how it comes out. All right, yeah, so I'm pretty much done with the 2,000 grit. Pretty much got it smoothed down. So now I'm using the light metal polish from Chemical Guys. So this area right here where you guys see it at, where it's dull, I'm pretty much going to be starting right there. That's pretty much where I sanded down at. So I'm pretty much be putting that light metal polish right there on that area. Get you a clean rag. Lay that down. It might turn black. That's pretty much the dirt and all that, you know, gunk pretty much getting picked up. And then from there, I'm gonna go over it with this little spongy cleaning thing tool that I picked up from Chemical Guys also, to pretty much, you know, get that metal polish deep down in there. And then I'll pretty much be going over it with a clean rag. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. So let's get started. Alright, so the next step is pretty much going to be what I was telling you guys. I'm pretty much going to use this. So, put my battery on there, put some of this on there. Even though I already put it on the microfiber cloth, I'm just going to put this on there and smear that in. I don't know if you guys could see the difference, but if not, you guys will see right now. Pretty much gonna put it all on the lip. And then pretty much just use my drill. Might get loud, so I'm gonna put some music on for you guys. This is a man's world. So pretty much gonna take the microfiber cloth, find a clean side, and then pretty much just wipe this area down, see if we can see a difference. Like I said, there's still some of that black residue on there, but as I keep wiping it, it's just getting cleaner and cleaner. So if you guys have a drill, it kind of makes things easier instead of having to do everything by hand. Kind of a longer process, but the drill and that tool kind of makes it a little bit easier. See. Oh yeah, major difference. So you can see it's not dull no more. Pretty much you can see the shine. And as far as the scraping, see if that picks up. Can't really see it. It's not the best job. Like there's still little nicks here and there, but the lip is pretty much way better than what it first was when I showed you guys. So now I just got to go over certain areas and work on that. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. All this area right here. So I mean, it takes time. It's a time process, but the results are definitely worth it. So pretty much, yeah, once I finish everything, I'll pretty much get back with you guys, let you guys see what's going on, how everything turned out, and then pretty much go from there. Alright guys, so pretty much finished result. So everything is done. pretty much turn the wheel around, let you guys see. Everything's pretty much back to how it was. And then as far as the curbing goes, pretty much nothing there no more. There's like little light scuffs and stuff, but I'm pretty sure if I would have used a higher sand grade paper, it most likely would have took it off, but I just pretty much used what I had. I'm pretty much happy with the results, as long as that curb rash is gone. So if you guys are new to the channel, man, make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment in the section down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys do decide to follow the steps, let me know how they turn out for you guys. But till next time, you guys, much love. See you guys.